Today we're exploring the journey of Sasha Obama, the youngest daughter of former President Barack Obama and Michelle Obama, who has grown up before the world's eyes, from a child in the White House to a young adult forging her own path in Los Angeles. Her life is often a subject of intense public fascination and internet speculation. So, is Sasha Obama gay? Let's find out. Sasha Obama has spent the majority of her life in the public eye, but she and her sister Malia have maintained a remarkable level of privacy since leaving the White House. While rumors about her personal life frequently circulate on social media, ranging from her sexuality to fabricated dating stories, Sasha has never publicly identified as gay or a member of the LGBTQ+ community. Instead, she has consistently been linked to high-profile boyfriends throughout her early adulthood. Her parents have often spoken about her maturity and independence, with Michelle Obama famously revealing in 2022 that her daughters were no longer just fans of pop bands, but were bringing grown men home and living real lives. This transition into adulthood has seen Sasha navigate the challenges of dating while under the constant lens of the paparazzi. Sasha Obama is living in Los Angeles and is reported to be in a long-term, committed relationship with Clifton Powell Jr., a writer and director and the son of actor Clifton Powell. The couple reportedly met after Sasha transferred to the University of Southern California, USC, in 2021, and have been seen together frequently over the past 3 years. While she maintains a very low public profile, she occasionally makes appearances at social events. In May 2025, she and Malia were spotted at an album release party in Los Angeles, where her surfer chic style once again made headlines. Despite viral and often AI-generated rumors in July 2025 suggesting a relationship with Baron Trump, these claims were quickly debunked as she remained steady in her relationship with Powell Jr. Sasha Obama has transitioned from a first daughter into a private citizen who prioritizes her personal relationships and her life in California. While she remains a style icon and a frequent subject of curiosity, she continues to live her life on her own terms, largely away from the political spotlight. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on the lives of high-profile figures and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.